Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making one pot rice with jasmine rice. So let's get started. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 cups of jasmine rice and soak them in water for 30 minutes. So I'm now going to soak this rice for 30 minutes. Okay, so that the rice is nice and soft while it's cooking. For 30 minutes I'm going to soak this and leave it. In the meantime, what I'm also going to be doing is soaking a couple of mushrooms. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rehydrate a couple of other ingredients. These are called lily pods, fungus and mushrooms. Shiitake mushroom. Again, I'm going to soak them for about an hour or so that my dry ingredients rehydrate. Okay. Just going to turn the mushrooms. Okay. So I've got lily pod here, fungus and shiitake mushrooms. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice lapchang into thin slices. These are lapchang. I'm taking the sweet ones first. Alright, so I'm going to take the lapchang and slice it into thin pieces, like so. Okay. Cut them into thin slices like these. Okay. So here you go, I've sliced some lapchang. These are sweet ones. These are sweet and savory ones which are homemade, and I've cubed some chicken as well. So let's begin cooking it. In my pan, I'll take some oil. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. So let's first add garlic. To my garlic, then I'm going to add, once my garlic becomes nice and aromatic, I'm going to then add my mushrooms. You can leave your mushrooms whole, or you cut them into half, or you can cut them into thin pieces, however you like. So while my mushroom is sauteing, I'm going to then prepare the other things. Next I'm going to add is the lily flowers. See how plumpy they look now once they are rehydrated. And of course then my fungus. Have a look at the fungus, see how well rehydrated they've become and crunchy. That's it. I'm going to slightly saute them and then show you what am I doing next. Okay. Now I'm going to take my rice, what I've done is I've taken off all the water from the rice and drained off the water. This mushroom, garlic, fungus, and the lily flowers that I've used. I'm going to put that now into the pot. Okay. Next, what I've done next is evenly distributed the chicken, lapchang, and the sweet corn on top of my rice. Make sure you evenly distribute it. See how it is distributed so well. Okay. Next, I'm going to add my Chinese spring onions or scallions. I've roughly chopped them on top. Look how wonderful and vibrant it looks, everything colorful. There's sweet corn in there, lapchang in there, mushrooms, fungus, and then there is, okay, all right, like so. All right, let's begin by making the sauce. Okay, in my pan, the same pan where I fried my mushrooms, what I've done is I've taken the mushroom water which the mushroom was soaking in, and I'm going to boil that and make the sauce. So once the water heats up, what I'm going to add is light soy. Now I'm going to add around 2 teaspoons of light soy, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, and my 5-spice powder. I'll take about 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder, all right. As you can see now, this has come up to a boil. It still needs a lot of seasoning, and finally I'm going to add is my chicken stock or chicken seasoning, so that my rice is nicely seasoned. So I'm using chicken seasoning. Let's have a look and taste the broth if it's nice and well seasoned. Yes, it is. Okay. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and add this broth that I've made to my rice. Also, going to add another cup of liquid, which is water. So along with that broth, I've added another cup of water so that my rice cooks. All right. So if you put your hand inside, it should be at the first level. Okay. So let's cook this now in the rice cooker. So let's start the rice cooker and cover it now. Let's open it now and see how it's cooked. Wow, nice and steamy. Everything seems to be cooked. If you like my recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment on my recipe. Also, don't forget the bell icon so that you get further notification about the next recipe that I will be posting on my channel. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.